Zach, we have a surprise for you.
Come on, Zach.
Zach, what is it? What is it?
A birthday cake.
What's the surprise? Go look. Zach, what's that?
Look at that. Wow, look at that.
Zach, it's a new bike.
You can ride it?
Zach, what color is it?
Orange.
And what else?
Black.
And black.
It's pink.
That's the pink bike.
For Shania.
That's Shania's pink bike. And what's that?
A bike. For that.
Oh boy.
I can ride this one.
Do you want to ride that one?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Zach.
Happy birthday, Zach.
It's a new bike.
Happy birthday. Whoa. Here, let Naya back out. Let's go ride bikes.
Try and get your shoes on, okay?
Oh, that's true.
Daddy, you do the birthday.
No.
Oh, Kamara's in there too. All right, Zach. Rock and roll. Woohoo! Do you like it? Watch
Gotta stop.
for cars.
Stop. Gotta push back. You want to start going? Alright, now push back. Push backwards. Watch.
Zach, happy birthday!
I want to take a picture of Ariana.
You want to take a picture of Adriana?
Yeah.
Because she's so pretty.
She's
She's pretty, isn't she?
Yeah, she's pretty.
How old are you today?
Hey, she?
Yes, you can in just a little bit. How old are you?
2.
No. How old are you today?
I'm 2.
Zach, you're 3.
Nuh-uh.
You're 3 years old now.
Nuh-uh.
Zach, is that your second cupcake? Are you having 2 cupcakes?
Mm-hmm.
Zach?
Oh.
Is it yummy? Zach, how old are you today?
I'm 3.
That's right! You're 3 years old. Zach, what'd you get?
Open it, Zach, open it.
What's in there?
Water. Zach. Extra.
What's that? Zach, what is it? Kamora, what is it? Ooh, Kamora, can you? There we go. Ooh, it's a book, a Thomas book. 2 Thomas books.
I think there's a little in there.
And something else. What's that?
Fork and spoon.
Thomas Forks and Spoons. Zach, did you see your superhero costume?
Yes.
Look over here. What's this box? Look.
Huh?
You can dress up like Superman. Do you want to be Superman?
Yes.
Wow, what are you going to do with all this stuff?
Mom, I want to read this book.
You going to read the book?
Yes. You want to open it?
Go fly! Can you fly with your cape? Woohoo! Zach has a cape and Naya's Batman.
That looks scary, doesn't it know? Yes.
Superman with a Batman mask.
Yes.
I just saw 26 great health code violations. I'm loving San Diego. This place is all
Let's see it, Zach. Come on. Naya. Woohoo!